What's up? So, I've been getting a lot of requests to talk about the intro and the outro of You Want To by the Rival Sons off the Head Down album. And it's just, the vibe in the studio was to create a cacophony, like a cacophony of sound. Very much inspired by like something, what would Keith Moon do? Sometimes I ask for playing a song, and it's just two chords going back and forth, and then they want cacophony. So basically, what's the fastest rhythm I can play at that tempo, you know? Because I can't go, right? So the next step down is triplets. So, and then just phrasing kind of randomly. Actually, every night I do something different. So there's, I'll show you the different possibilities, and you can put them together yourself. So these are sixes, 60-note triplets. But actually, I'm kind of pumping the bass drum through the whole thing, way louder than that. But so you have. That's probably the most jazzy one in there. Just like if you don't put the doubles in, it's just. So the right hand goes. Want to accent that like a little rough, a little a left-handed rough. And then there's just write basic triplets on the cymbals. So when you put it all together, it's a. So it's an 8-bar phrase. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So there's You Want To intro and outro.